Good evening, everyone. I'm Haiyang, and let's do the question 2A together. Let's look at the question first. The study fig 1, which shows a climate graph. The climate graph is here, and describe and account for the temperature of severe in fig 1. There's a 3 key points here: describe and account for and the temperature. As we know, that describe is give an account of the feature and do not explain. And the account for is give some reason for something. So we can divide the answer into 2 parts. One's for describe and one's for reason. Okay, let's do the describe first. Describe, here's the temperature and here's the rainfall. But we only do the temperature because the question do just ask for the temperature. So we do not do the rainfall one. Let's look at the temperature. The temperature is higher. It's all about the 26.5 Celsius degree and up to 28.5 Celsius degree. So, and the change of the temperature is very small. It's only about 2 Celsius degree to 3 Celsius degree. So we can say that the temperature is very high, and the range of temperature it can from 26.5 Celsius degree to up to the 28.5 Celsius degree. And the change of the temperature is very small. It's about 2 Celsius degree to 3 Celsius degree. Okay, let's do the second part. The second part is account for to give some reason for. So as we know, this graph, as we see this graph, and we must think up the climate. This kind of climate is equatorial climate. The temperature is always affected by latitude. The lower the latitude, the higher the incident angle of incident of the sun rays is higher. The concentration is more higher. The concentration of sun ray is more higher, so that the temperature is higher. So we can say that the higher, because the latitude is lower, the higher angle of incident of sun ray is higher. So the concentration of sun ray is more higher. The temperature is more higher. So we can say that the higher angle of incidence of the sun rays, as the sun rays are more concentrated and places experiencing the equatorial climate. Those places experience high minimal temperature of about 27 Celsius degree, or you can say 26.5 Celsius degree throughout the year, and small annual temperature range of 2 Celsius degree to 3 Celsius degree. So that's all is my way to solve this question. Thank you.
Hello, this is Fakhri, and I am about to teach you how to approach this question. First, we have to study this figure 4, which shows the plate boundary between the North American and Pacific plates. As you can see, the two plates are rubbing against each other. So the first thing you want to do is to take note of the key legend of the figure 4. Okay, now let's see what the question wants you to answer. With reference to figure 4, explain is a key word that you must take note. Why cities like San Francisco and Los Angeles are more prone to earthquakes? And then you have to take note that this is 4 marks. So that means you have to have maybe around one or 2 points, and then the rest is about the explanation. Okay, so for the first point, San Francisco and Los Angeles are located near the San Andreas Fault, and San Francisco only a few kilometers from the fault, and Los Angeles not more than 100 kilometers from it. And then you can go to the explanation. Both cities are more prone to earthquakes because the rocks near the fault breaks in portions when the Pacific and North American plates rub against each other. Therefore, by being located near the fault, they will experience more frequent earthquakes in the period of a century.